So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Essence. I already recently uploaded a video on how you can make your profile approved by Upwork. So, I also thought that it would be a great idea if I show you guys how to make an account on Upwork. Also, make sure to watch this whole video because till end, because in case you just end up making any small mistake that may lead to your account getting disapproved by Upwork. So make sure to watch this whole video till the end.
Okay, so the very first thing that we are going to do is to go on upwork.com and then click on sign up. So you are going to given with two options, that is you can create an account with your Google account, Google, or with your email address. So enter your email address, then continue with email. So here you'll be given a notice that you have used Gmail address. So instead you can use your work email, but here just to show you guys, I'm going to use my Gmail account itself. Then you can click on continue with email. Then you enter your first name. Then you are going to enter the country. Then you need to select whether you need to hire for a project or work as a freelancer. So I want to work as a freelancer, so click on that. Then enter the username. So it will also suggest you with some of the usernames, so just don't go with the suggestion and you can use any other option. Then click on terms and conditions and then create my account. So verification link will be sent to your registered email address. So you need to go on that and click verify the link. The verification email shall look somewhat like this. So you need to verify the email. So after you are done with verifying the email, message that thanks for showing your interest on Upwork. So you can click on continue. Then another instruction you are provided with, that is start my profile. So the very first thing that you need to enter is what is your main service that you offer. So it can be anything. So for me it is IT and networking. It can be anything like marketing or data science or design and creative, sales and marketing, web, mobile, writing, anything. Then you need to select what type of IT and networking you do. Okay, so you need to select four types of work. Okay, so it can be database and this thing. Okay, then if you select on others, I think you need to mention it. No, there's nothing such as to mention. Then what skills do you offer to clients? So it can be web analytics, web applications, and write a few of them. And this shall be different for you people, so you can add it according to you. Then click on next. Then there will be a question that what is your level of experience in this field? So it can be entry level, intermediate, and then expert. So for me, it is expert. So you can add as per your needs. Then add a school where you attended. So it can be anything. So let me just write my school, my college. So this is my college, and what is the area of study? So it's computer science. And then what is the degree? So I did bachelor of technology. Then from with start date to expected year of graduation, so I'm just randomly writing anything. Then you can provide any description which is optional, so save. Then we can move to next, that is add your past experience. You can add for that any company that you worked in, or maybe any internships that you have done. Then the languages, that is which is the language for English, what is your proficiency, whether it is basic, conversational, fluent, native. So you can add that, and any additional language that you know. Then Okay, so I know fluent English, and the other languages I know Hindi, I know Gujarati, I know Marathi, but I don't write it over here. So, okay, next. Then you need to specify what is your hourly rate. So you can add according to you whether the level of proficiency is high, then you can go for 630, and if it is very low, then you can go for 15 or $10 per hour. And Upwork service fee is almost around 20% of what you write. So 20% of $30 is around $6. So $6 will be the service fees that will be charged by Upwork. And also, once your bill is over $500 with your clients, then the fees will be only 10%. So 10% of 500 is 50 rupees. So it will take only $50. I'm sorry, not 15 to 50 rupees, $50. So it will take $50 from you. Then what you'll receive is hourly rate minus the Upwork service fees. So you'll receive $30 minus $6, that is $24 per hour. So you can move on to next section, that is title and overview. So title can be IT and networking. This will be customized according to your requirement. So you can add a professional overview, that will be your personal overview that you personally do. So then you can add a profile picture of yours. So you can select your own profile picture, whatever you wish, but it should be professional looking, it should be crisp resolution, as well as it should include your face and should have a neutral background. So, and then click on save option. So my picture is uploaded, then click on next. So now you need to give your address, your app suite, your city, your zip code, and the country. Then the final option is off to add your phone number. So add your phone number, desired phone number. I think the OTP shall be sent to that number. And then preview the profile. So after you're done with all the things, so I have written many dummy things over here, so I won't be clicking on submit the profile. So after you are done with all the things, just submit the profile. Your profile will be submitted after you click on this submit the profile button, and hence you are done with creating the account. So I hope this video was useful for you, and please do check out the video on how to get approved on Upwork. So that is a very useful video for you people. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that I shall be posting. And these videos are really useful for you, so you should definitely check them out. I'll put the link in the description box, as well as at the end of this video you will also get an option to just click and go to that video to watch that video. So thank you guys for watching the video, and thank you also if you have subscribed to my channel, and in case you haven't, please do subscribe to my channel.